Hey, you want to know the one flight time that hardly ever gets delayed? It's that morning flight. That very first flight, that bright and early wake up at 3 a.m. flight to catch it. It rarely gets delayed because that plane spent the night there. So when you get there, your plane's already there. The later flights get hit with weather delays or delayed because of staffing. It creates an entire ripple effect that affects the day. And if something happens, you usually have a couple backup flights that you could take. So follow along. I'm creating a whole series about flights. So this is one of 5. Want a better seat without paying extra? Set an alarm and check in the moment that your airline opens online check-in. Usually it's 24 hours in advance. On flights like Southwest, this means that you can bump up your boarding order and get better seats and better overhead bin availability. Even on other airlines, it helps lock it in. So don't miss that check-in window. It can be the difference between you and your family sitting together. Follow for more. Check back for tip 3. Flight travel tip number 3. When you go through security, if you have an option to choose left or right, choose the left line. That typically is the shorter line because most people psychologically go to the right. So if you give this a try, let me know if it worked for you because it worked for me. Follow along for more travel tips. And if you haven't watched tip 1 or 2, go back and watch those or follow up and watch 4 and 5. Flight travel tip number 4. I've talked about this one before, about booking your flight on either a Tuesday or a Wednesday. The reason why this one works is because airlines release their flights on Mondays, and by Tuesday or Wednesday, their competitors are out there trying to beat their prices. So Tuesday or Wednesday is going to get you the best price on your flight. Follow along for more tips. Here's a packing mistake most people make at least once in their lifetime. Even on domestic flights, luggage sometimes gets lost or delayed. Always pack a clean shirt, pair of underwear, and your basic toiletries in your carry-on. It's the difference between feeling fresh and confident or being stuck in yesterday's airport travel outfit. One more thing I always throw in my carry-on, especially if I'm going to a tropical destination, is my swimsuit, because I like to get there, just change into it, and be in it for the rest of the day. Go spend the day at the beach, get a drink, be at the pool, just enjoy. Follow along for more tips.